Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing, back for another day of fun and excitement here. Alright, so first off we have a driveway and sidewalk, and then we have a quadplex that we have a big parking lot and walkways to do. But let me walk around the first one with you, show you what we got. Got driveway here. Two-car driveway with a little turnaround to it. Pretty bad over here. So we'll blow and clean all this off first, make it easier to clean, and then just sidewalk going up to the end here. And then got a walkway going up to the front door. And that's it. So stay tuned, we'll get busy here.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, so we're all done here. Let's walk around and show you how it came up. Still drying a little bit, kind of in the shade, but all that black is gone. You can actually see some oil stains that were here. Couldn't even see them because it was so dirty. But I'm not sure if they're going to want us to come back and get them out or not. And then walk away. Remember, all that was pitch black. It all came out really nice. And the front walkway up to the door. Much better curb appeal now. So anyway, that's it for this job. We'll see you at the next one. Okay, here we are at the second job for today. It's a quadplex, so we got the parking lot and sidewalk and walkways. I'll walk around and show it to you. So we got walkway down there. We got all this flat work here. Walkway going down here. And some oil, so we have some degreaser working on that right now. Pulling that up. And then each side has its own little walkway coming down here. And then just right in front of the places. So anyway, that's it for right now. Let's get going. Okay, so we're all done here. Let's take a walk around and show you how it came out. much better. Okay. Hit the clean the gutters out too, but yeah, major improvement. It's very nice. Take a look up this side. Yep. Okay. Well, another satisfied customer, another job in the books. So, all right, we'll see you guys at the next job. And I haven't asked you guys in a little while. If you could please like and subscribe to our channel, and then make some comments. Let me know if you're enjoying these videos, if there's something particular you want to see. It helps us grow the channel and makes me know that I'm giving you guys the content that you're looking for. So again, I appreciate it. And this is Bill from Supreme Pressure Washing. Have a great day.